Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, we are now in the 33rd Sunday in Ordinary Time. We are coming to the end of our liturgical calendar, and we can observe that our readings this Sunday talk about the end of times. The signs of the end of times remind us of the truth that everything in this world is fleeting or temporary. It is a wake-up call for all of us that we cannot devote ourselves to things that are perishable, but to things that are eternal and above. Sa ating unang pagbasa ngayon, sinasabi ni Propeta Malakias, darating ang araw na parang nag-aapoy na pugon. This is a warning not to frighten us, but to awake us to live with meaning and hope in the midst of so many uncertainties in life. Sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, Jesus tells us about the imminent signs of the end of times, like wars, famine, persecution, earthquakes, and other natural calamities. Paalala ito sa atin na may pagwawakas sa lahat ng nilikha sa mundo. Pinapaalala sa atin ni Jesus na hindi madali ang paglalakbay sa ating pananampalataya, but He assures us that He will not leave us orphans. In our gospel reading today, Jesus invites us to remain faithful in His words. By your perseverance, you will secure your lives. Saint Paul, in our second reading today, exhorts us to work in faith. While waiting for the Lord, we cannot be complacent and lazy. Our faith in God should be coupled with work and perseverance. Mga kapatid, wala pong nakakaalam sa atin ng wakas. Ang pagwawakas po ay hindi para takutin tayo, bagkus paanyaya na tayo'y maging handa at alerto araw-araw sa ating buhay. Paano? Sa pagiging tapat sa ating mga tungkulin, pagiging matatag sa mga pagsubok ng buhay, at pagtitiwala sa Diyos na hindi pabaya. Let us all be reminded, my dear brothers and sisters, that everything in this world will come to an end. But the end should also give us courage and hope that we have a God who lives forever and who will not leave us orphan. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong